Did you know that hotels don't keep hundreds of rooms spotless through expensive products or magical tools, but through 5 simple secrets that anyone can use at home? Did you know that these secrets could transform your cleaning routine from exhausting and time-consuming to quick and effortless? I spent 2 months interviewing hotel housekeepers, from budget motels to 5-star resorts, and every single one mentioned these same 5 principles. Stay with me, because this will revolutionize your entire home. The mystery of hotel cleanliness. Have you ever wondered how hotels manage to keep rooms absolutely spotless day after day? You check into a hotel room, and everything is perfect. The bathroom sparkles, the mirrors are streak-free, the floors are immaculate, the bed looks like it belongs in a magazine, and you think, how do they do this? They must use professional-grade equipment, they must have special products, they must spend hours on each room. But here's the truth that will shock you. Most hotel rooms are cleaned to perfection in under 30 minutes. 30 minutes! For an entire room to go from used to pristine? Secret 1. The Caddy system. Every single housekeeper I interviewed used a cleaning caddy, not just carrying supplies, but a specific organized caddy where everything has a designated spot. Why? Because walking back and forth to get products wastes enormous time. Professional housekeepers bring everything they need in one trip. They never backtrack. At home, I created my own caddy. All-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, microfiber cloths, scrub brush, trash bags, all in one portable container. This one change cut my cleaning time by 20% just by eliminating unnecessary movement. Secret 2. The top-to-bottom religion. This was mentioned by literally every housekeeper. Always clean top to bottom. Not sometimes, always. Dust the ceiling fan first, then clean mirrors, then counters, then furniture, then floors last. Gravity ensures everything falls onto areas you haven't cleaned yet. One housekeeper told me, if you clean the floor first, you're going to clean it twice. Secret 3. The dwell time advantage. This secret changed my life. Spray everything first, then clean. Don't spray and immediately wipe. Professional housekeepers enter a bathroom, spray the toilet, shower, sink, and mirror. Then they leave to do something else. They come back 5 to 10 minutes later and wipe. The cleaning solution does most of the work during that dwell time, breaking down grime and soap scum. Secret 4. Microfiber only. Every single housekeeper used microfiber cloths exclusively. Not paper towels, not sponges, not regular rags. Microfiber. Why? Because microfiber traps dirt and bacteria at a microscopic level instead of just pushing it around. One damp microfiber cloth can clean an entire bathroom without any cleaning product. Secret 5. The maintenance mindset. This was the most profound secret. Hotel housekeepers don't deep clean. They maintain. Rooms never get severely dirty because they're cleaned daily. The cleaning is quick because there's never massive buildup. Applied to home life, this means doing small maintenance cleaning daily instead of waiting for things to get disgusting and then deep cleaning. I started wiping my bathroom sink daily, which takes 30 seconds. The transformation. When I implemented all 5 secrets simultaneously, my home underwent a complete transformation. My bathroom cleaning went from 45 minutes to 15 minutes. My kitchen cleaning went from 30 minutes to 10 minutes. My entire home deep clean went from a 4-hour weekend marathon to a 90-minute routine. And the results? Better than ever. My home looks consistently clean because I'm maintaining instead of waiting for disaster and then fighting it. But the real change was psychological. Cleaning is no longer this dreaded, exhausting task. It's a quick, systematic process that I actually don't mind doing. And when unexpected guests arrive, I'm not panicking. My home is always in decent shape because I'm maintaining constantly instead of cramming before company arrives. And that's it. 5 hotel secrets for a spotless home. Caddy system, top to bottom order, dwell time, microfiber only, and maintenance mindset. If these secrets just transformed your cleaning approach, smash that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more professional secrets revealed. Share this with anyone struggling with cleaning. Comment which secret shocked you most. I click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, clean smart, work less, and achieve hotel-level results in your own home.